Hi friends and families, tomorrow is my sister's birthday. So we already prepared some cakes and cupcakes. They are already here.
Some chocolate, like maybe this is vanilla.
And we are going to do some macaroons.
And we tried some of the cupcakes because we were just testing if they taste good. Like here's one, see? Nice design. We're going to add some, maybe we might add some, designs.
So we will catch you in the next a bit. Hi guys, I'm going to blow this huge bee balloon. Just like this.
That's enough.
Now look. Hi friends and families. We just put some balloons and these are two and these
I broke some.
And they were so this looks like so rocky and they have Hi friends and family, today was my sister's birthday and this is her birthday cake and we got all varieties. They're like, most of them are yellow and black because it's like a bumblebee day. And we got this yummy cake.
We got some macarons,
some tuna salmon and Ferrero Rochers. I don't know.
You mean not chocolate?
And we got some love biscuits. They're lemon flavored. And some beets things. And this is the birthday girl. It's right there eating some Ferrero Rochers.
Yes, I gave her that because she was like crying. Because she's a baby, of course.
Hello. I'm eating Ferrero Rochers. And I thought to eat one of these macaroons. Yummy. Please subscribe and like for more videos. Bye.